Christoffel symbols of first and second kind. So today we will explain the definition and properties of Christoffel symbols of first and second kind. Okay. So the concept of these symbols has been given by great German mathematician Elvino Bruno Christoffel. Okay. So these symbols has been used to study of geometry of metric. Okay, so what is metric? So in Euclidean space, metric is nothing but distance between two neighboring points. Means if P and Q are two neighboring points, then metric ds square is equal to dx square plus dy square plus dz square. Okay, in this case the coefficients of metric potentials are equal and all are 1. Okay, but in spherical form, when metric is this type, so this is the metric, means P and Q are 2 points, so this is metric. And in this case the line element of the form Gij, Dxi, Dxj. Okay, in this case G11, G22, G33 are different. Okay, so there is the problem. So the great geometer Elvin Bruno Christoffel gave the concept of these symbols. Okay, so by this symbol we calculate the Christoffel curvature tensor and all the properties of metric. Okay, so now we shall explain the notation and definitions of these symbols. Okay, so now Christoffel symbols of first kind. So Christoffel symbols of first kind is denoted by this symbol gamma ijk or in bracket ijk. Okay, so this is the notation of Christoffel symbols of first kind. Okay, and similarly Christoffel symbols of second kind is denoted by the symbols gamma I jk or curly bracket I jk. Okay, so in first kind all the indices are in lower. Okay, but in Christoffel symbols of second kind one index I in upper position and j and k are in lower position. Okay, so definition of Christoffel symbols of first kind. So first kind is denoted by I jk. So this is equal to 1 by 2 del gij upon del xk plus ik, means del g ik upon del xj minus jk, which are in pair, so minus del g jk upon del xi. Okay, so this is the definition, means Christoffel symbols of first kind is denoted by I jk and defined by 1 by 2 del gij upon del xk ij upon k ik and then jk. Okay, so this is the definition. So now I want to explain some properties of Christoffel symbols of first kind, which are very easy. So first property is property first. First property is ijk equal to ikj, means ijk is equal to ikj. Okay, means these indices are symmetric with respect to j and k. Okay, so proof is very easy, because ijk is equal to 1 by 2 del gij upon del xk plus del g I k upon del x j minus del g j k upon del x I. Okay, so this equal to, because Gij is metric tensor and metric tensor is symmetric tensor. Symmetric means Gij is equal to Gj I. Okay, so this equal to 1 by 2 del G Ij upon del xk plus del G Ik upon del x j minus del g kj upon del x I. This can be written as this thing because Gij is a metric tensor which is symmetric. Okay, so this equal to I kj. So this is the property, means this is symmetric in two indices. Okay. Similarly, the definition of Christoffel symbols of second kind is I j k is equal to G I m j k. Okay, so the Christoffel symbol of second kind, this is G I m, this is metric tensor, and this is Christoffel symbol of first kind. Means with the use of Christoffel symbols of first kind, we get Christoffel symbols of second kind. Okay, so this is nothing but I j k. So Christoffel symbols of second kind is denoted by curly bracket or this gamma I j k. In the second kind, one indices I is upper and j k are in lower indices. Okay, so now some properties of Christoffel symbols of second kind. So first property is gamma I j k equal to gamma I k j, means Christoffel symbols of second kind is also commutative in two indices lower. Okay, so proof is very easy because we have by the first kind gamma ij is equal to G I m j k, and since in case of first kind these are commutative, so m k j. Okay, so this equal to by definition I k j. Okay, now second property is k I j equal to G k l Christoffel symbol L I j. Okay, so here this is dummy index. Okay, so you can take in the place of L should be any other index other than Kij. You take P, so P, P, Q, Q, R, R. Okay, so this is the second property. Proof is very easy. We have by the definition of Christoffel symbol of second kind, Sij equal to G sk, and Christoffel symbol of first kind, here k is dummy, so k I j. Okay, now multiplying by GPS on both sides means GPS Christoffel symbols of Sij equal to GPS Gsk. Okay, this S and this S is same. Okay, no problem. Okay, I j. So this is by the definition of Christoffel symbols of second kind, SS contract, okay. So this equal to Kronecker delta SS contract, so K P, and this is K I J. Now by the definition of Kronecker delta, if K is equal to P, then this is 1, otherwise 0. So this equal to, in place of K is P. So here P I J, okay, means P I J is equal to G P S S I J, which is the same thing. So here we see Pij is equal to GPS Sij SS contract, so Pij, and this is nothing but Kij. So if we put P in place of K, so this is same. So also there is no problem, only we see there is Pij, means this is Christoffel symbol of first kind, so all the indices are in lower, okay, and here SS contract, so here Pij. In second kind, one index is in upper side and two is lower, so this is contract S and X. After contracted, all Pij, all the indices in lower, so this is the same thing and is proved, okay. Christoffel symbols of second kind is also called affine connection or connection coefficients.